We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Uh, Good evening to all. Today we have discussed the topic related to DC load line and Q point regarding the common emitter configuration of transistor. I have shared with whiteboard with you. Uh, uh, Today we have discussed the topic DC load line and Q point of common emitter configuration of transistor. Now, what is the meaning of DC load line and Q point? Uh, See the output equation of common emitter configuration of transistor. I have write the equation which can be related to VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. This is the output equation. Now, what is the meaning of DC load line? DC load line means what? What is the maximum value of current and voltage? What is the maximum value of current and voltage that we can obtain? See this here. If we can make the subject IC equal to ICRC equal to minus VCE plus VCC. This is the equation. Minus VCE plus VCC. Now what is the maximum voltage at the output of common emitter configuration of transistor? It is known as plus VCC. For any configuration of transistor, for any configuration of transistor, for any configuration of transistor, maximum output voltage is plus 16 volt. Sorry, plus VCC is plus VCC. Now, what is the meaning of DC load line? Maximum value of current and voltage that can be obtained. Now see, if I have sketched the output characteristics of common emitter configuration. See this. See this. This is the output characteristics. See this. This is the output characteristics. Here voltage is VCE and here current is IC. Now, here what is the maximum voltage? If you can move towards the right side and if you can move towards the upper side, then what is the maximum value of current and voltage? What is the maximum value of current and voltage that can be indicated by? Simply put here, VCE equal to 0. VCE equal to 0. So here we can get the point which is known as VCC divided by RC. VCC divided by RC. Simply we can get the point if you can make VCE equal to 0. Why VCE equal to 0? Because we want to determine the Y quantity. We determine the Y quantity, that's why it is known as point. That's why it is known as point. And here it is another point, make IC equal to 0, so VCC equal to VCE. So here we can get VCC equal to VCE, VCC equal to VCE. So if you can connect these two, If you can connect these 2 points, see this. See this. See this. This is known as DC load line. Why it is known as DC load line? Because compare this equation with y equal to mx plus c. Compare this equation with y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. C it is considered as a constant which is equal to VCC, and mx equal to minus VCE divided by RC. If you can make your subject IC equal to minus VCE by RC plus VCC by RC. So C equal to VCC by RC and M equal to minus 1 upon RC. So it is the equation of line. That's why it is known as DC load line. See this. This is known as DC load line. That's why it is known as DC load line. VCC equal to VCE and IC equal to VCC divided by RC. So it is known as concept of DC load line. Again, it is indicated maximum value of voltage with respect to maximum value of current. So it is the concept of DC load line. It is the concept of DC load line. Now, what is the meaning of Q point? What is the meaning of Q point? I have explained this. What is the meaning of Q point? Output characteristics of output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. Output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. It is intersect with DC load line. It is known as Q point. It is known as Q point. Means see this here. Means concentrate here. For these characteristics, it is known as Q point. It is also known as Q point. Output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. It is intersect with DC load line. It is known as Q point. It is known as Q point. Now, what is the requirement of Q point? What is the requirement of Q point? If for the proper voltage amplification, it is required to locate Q point at the center of the DC load line. At the proper voltage amplification, it is required to locate Q point at the center of the DC load line. So it is the requirement of Q point. If Q point is located at the center of the load line, see this. If Q point is located here, see this. Assume that this is the location of Q point. Now, with reference to Q point, see this. This is the half voltage, and see this is the half current. That's why proper voltage amplification we can get if you can put Q point at the center of the DC load line. If we can put Q point if Q point is located at the lower level, at that time it can be acting the cutoff region. If Q point lies in the above x-axis, or we can say above the center of the DC load line, so it is known as saturation region. So it is the concept regarding DC load line and Q point. Q point indicate what is the main difference between Q point and load line. See this. Q point indicate instantaneous value of voltage and current. Q point indicates instantaneous value of voltage and current by DC load line indicate instantaneous value instantaneous value of voltage and current. Now, if you want to amplify the signal, at that time the Q point is required to locate at the center of the DC load line. But Q point is vary due to the minority charge carrier. Q point is vary due to the minority charge carrier. Why Q point is vary? Because see this, if transistor, what is the exact symbol of transistor that I have explained in the diagram? Explain means I have seen from the website. See, this is the Google image. See, this is the transistor. See, this is the symbol of transistor. Able to see from the Google images directly. I have used the image. This is the, I have not used this image. I have just shown to you. This is the symbol of transistor. Now see, if this transistor is manufactured in India, now see this BC547. If this transistor can be manufactured in USA, now due to this different transistor that can be manufactured in the different country, at that time temperature is changed. At that time temperature is changed according to different country. So what I am trying to say, please prepare this very carefully. If temperature is changed, if temperature is changed, then leakage current is changed. Leakage current is changed. Leakage current means what? Leakage current that can be flow in the reverse bias. Now, if leakage current is changed, leakage current is changed, leakage current is changed, then collector current is changed, collector current is changed. Now, if if collector current change, then ICRC change, but VCC is constant. VCC is constant according to equation VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. If collector current change, then ICRC change, but VCC is constant according to equation VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. Then if ICRC increase, so VCE is decrease. VCE is decrease, so Q point is shift. Q point is shift, so we cannot achieve the amplification. We cannot achieve the amplification. So Q point is shift, so we cannot achieve the amplification. We cannot get the amplification. So Q point is shift, we cannot achieve the amplification. So it is required to achieve the amplification. So put the circuit in external way in such a way that to control the collector current with respect to temperature change. Means what? Simply say in English language or Gujarati language, temperature જે change થાય છે એ temperature તો change થવાનું જ છે કારણ કે ટ્રાન્ઝિસ્ટર જુદા જુદા કન્ટ્રીમાં ડેવલપ થાય છે. Now due to different temperature change, we can able to control the current. So Q point is not shift with respect to DC load line. So at the proper level we can achieve the amplification. Amplification means what? To increase the amplitude of input signal without change in frequency. So at that time Q point must be required. Q point must be required. So it is the significance related to Q point. It is the significance related to Q point. I will explain with the help of circuit diagrams. See this very carefully. See this. DC load line. If transistor connected in common emitter configuration, then maximum output voltage is VCE equal to VCC. Output voltage cannot be higher than VCE or VCC. Maximum collector current flow inside the transistor is VCC by RC. So here we can get VCC by RC. Here we can get VCC equal to VCE. So here it is known as DC load line. Why? Because it satisfied the line equation. Already I have explained this. VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. So ICRC equal to minus VCC plus VCE. So IC equal to minus VCE by RC plus VCC by RC. Compare with Y equal to MX plus C. So we can get the DC load line. Now Q point means what? DC load line intersect with output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. It is known as Q point. For the proper voltage amplification, it is required to maintain Q point at the center of the load line. Cutoff region, Q point lies at the bottom of the load line. For saturation region, Q point lies at the upper part of the load line. So it is the concept regarding the DC load line and Q point. Now, based on that, I have discussed the example related to that. So please see this example very carefully. See this. Transistor is connected in common emitter configuration. Collector supply voltage is 10 volt. Load resistance equal to 800 ohm. Voltage drop across load resistance is 0.8 ohm. Determine the collector to emitter voltage. Base current also calculate beta and collector current. So see this IC equal to VCC by RC. So it is considered as a DC load line current. Maximum current 10 volt divided by 800. It can be considered as a load resistor. So maximum current is 12.5 milliampere. Now applied the output loop equation VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. Put the value of ICRC. So we can get VCE 9.2 volt and voltage drop across resistor is equal to 0.8. Voltage drop across the resistor is equal to 0.8. 10 minus 9.8 equal 9.2 equal to 0.8. So IC equal to 1 milliampere. See this. This is the IC which can be related to active region of transistor. Remember that point. But here whatever IC we can get, it is related to maximum IC. It is known as instantaneous IC. Simply say it is related to Q point. A Q point સાથે related છે અને આ DC load line સાથે related છે. Two are different quantity. Now alpha equal to 0.9, so beta equal to 24. So IC equal to beta time IB, leakage current. So we can get the value of 41.67 microampere. So it is known as the example related to DC load line and Q point. Now next example. Now consider the next example. Germanium transistor with alpha equal to 98.98, alpha equal to 0.98, give the reverse saturation current ICBO equal to 10 microampere connected in common base configuration. When transistor is used in common emitter configuration with base current equal to 0.22 milliampere, calculate the value of collector current. Now see what is the data. ICBO equal to 10 microampere, IB equal to 0.22 milliampere and IB equal to 0.22 milliampere. So alpha equal to 0.98. So alpha equal to beta upon 1 minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha. So beta equal to 49. Put the value of alpha 0.98. So now common emitter configuration of transistor IC equal to beta time IB plus ICEO. So ICEO equal to 1 plus beta ICBO. So we can get the value of collector current. Put this value and simplify this so we can get the value of collector current. So it is the example that can be related to DC load line and Q point. Q point means what? Instantaneous value of current and voltage, and DC load line means what? Maximum value of current and voltage. Thank you. This topic is complete. Thank you very much.